In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the SingClear app on Android. First, open your browser on your mobile device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Once you have your browser open, type in SingClear in the search bar. As you type, you will see suggestions pop up. These suggestions can help guide you to the right website quickly. Once the search results appear, take a moment to look through them. You want to make sure you click on the most relevant link. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for the download process. Next, click the first link in the search results. This link should typically lead you to the official SingClear website. By starting from the official site, you ensure that you are downloading the app safely and securely. It's important to avoid third-party sites that might host outdated or malicious versions of the app. Once you click this link, your browser will redirect you to the SingClear homepage, where you will find more information about the app and its features. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a hamburger icon which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on this icon. This action will open a menu giving you several options related to the app. From this menu, select the option that says Download. This step is essential because it directs you to the download section where the actual file you need is located. After selecting Download, you will be taken to a new page where you can find the download button. This button is usually prominently displayed and easy to spot. Click the download button to initiate the download process. This action will start downloading the APK file for the SingClear app directly to your device. It is important to monitor this download so you know when it completes. You might see a notification or a progress bar indicating the download status. Once the APK file has finished downloading, you'll need to install it. To do this, click on the downloaded APK file. You can usually find this in your notifications or in the Downloads folder of your device. This is a straightforward process, but you may need to allow installations from unknown sources if prompted. This step is important for ensuring that you can install apps that are not from the Google Play Store, which allows for more flexibility in what you can run on your device. After you click on the downloaded APK file, your device will prompt you with a series of installation steps. Follow these prompts carefully. You might be asked to confirm that you want to install the app. Simply click Install when prompted. This confirmation step ensures that you agree to install the app and that all necessary permissions are granted. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message that indicates the app has been successfully installed. Now that the installation is complete, you can find the SingClear app icon in your app drawer. Click on the icon to launch the app for the first time. As you open it, you might need to go through an initial setup process, but don't worry, this is usually quick and straightforward. You are now ready to explore all the features that SingClear offers. Enjoy your new app.